Oh man, guys, what is that thing over there? It's a toy helicopter. If you guys remember smashing another RC video that I did years and years ago, I've got some comments on it. That RC controlled this helicopter. My brother flew it onto the roof. If you guys remembered watching that video, some of my older subscribers might remember. As you can see, look, here, it's all rusted out. It's been up there for over a year or two now. It's all faded from the blades is broken. It was cool, it like spun like that. My brother only used it for 3 seconds before it got lost. It was a gift given to us by a nana or something. And yeah, we're gonna be smashing it. Wonder if it's gonna be as cheap. Wait, is the camera recording that? It's so cheap. It's stuck in the dirt. I'm gonna use this smashing board. It's so cheap. This is hard because I've got a torch in one hand and an axe in the other. Oh, there's a small ass motor in there. Pick it up. It's 1 minute 30. Shh! Hold on, I'll be up soon. Oh, it's got like a battery in there. So cheap. It's strange. Hopefully the camera's capturing all that. Hello guys. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh whoa. Parts like flew over there. Yeah, it's gonna be the end of that helicopter, guys. Bye.